Hello everyone, and welcome to a quick demo of Tesseract AI. This is a multi-agent application designed to simplify your workflow by interacting with various online services. We'll start on the main screen of Tesseract AI. Let's begin by using the email agent. I'll input, send an email to siddharth@gmail.com about the AI product launch on June 17th. Include details about the launch event, highlight the product's features and benefits, and emphasize the unique value. Jumping to the inbox, we can see the email has been sent successfully. I'll choose the Twitter agent and enter, create a tweet about the new product launch. Mark your calendars. Our revolutionary AI product is launching on June 17th. Transform the way you work and innovate with the power of AI. Stay tuned for more up. The app is processing my request, and now we see a success message that the tweet has been created. Switching to Twitter, we see that the tweet has successfully been created. Finally, let's check out the Google Calendar agent. I will now select the Google Calendar agent. I'll input, create a schedule for January 18th, 2025 with the following time slots: 9 a.m. to 12 p.m., learn something new, 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. code. And once again we see that Google Calendar has been updated with the given schedule. Let's verify that by going to Google Calendar and see that those events have been created. So to quickly recap, Tesseract AI can seamlessly manage emails, Twitter updates, and even calendar scheduling through a single interface. With all these agents, you can be sure